Hey guys, Bernard here from Leitner Designs. Wanted to show you a new bracket we made to mount our favorite rooftop tent, the GFC Pro. As you know, Leitner Designs makes everything in the United States, and guess what? So does GFC. So we're really excited to be partnering with them and support you guys to mount this awesome tent on there with our new GFC specific rooftop tent brackets. Let's go take a quick look and show you what you get. So the GFC is unique and doesn't mount underneath, it actually mounts on the side. So we partnered with them, we buy all of their hardware directly from them, so you know you're gonna get a quality product. It's a simple little angle bracket that mounts to our load bars. This fits on their 60-inch wide XL and their standard 55-inch wide rooftop tent models. We've already tested this 1,000 miles off-road, and this is just a great tent made in the USA, and this attaches so simply. It'll take you a few minutes to attach this to the Leitner rack, and it's seamless. And we never offered that before. We've offered it for every other tent manufacturer out there, but this is the tent that I personally now use when I go camping, off-roading, and overlanding, and it's just one of the greatest tents out there. So you guys know how much I love supporting US manufacturers, and we love supporting GFC, Go Fast Campers, and I hope you guys do too. So when you're considering a rooftop tent and a roof rack, consider both of these brands and get yourself one of our new GFC rooftop tent brackets. Make the installation seamless. Thanks a lot for watching.